Alright, so for today's demonstration we're using a Hitachi super close projector. This is the CPA220N model. So what you want to do is we're going to just flip it upside down. Here you can see the mounting holes, and these are pretty close together for projectors. Most of the time they're spread apart further. So there's a unique way you got to set this up. It's not really difficult in any way, you just need to spin the arms around a different way. So I'm going to just show you that once we get to that point. But for right now I'm going to just show you the installation, or sorry, show you the assembly of the arm. We have a projector mounted on the arm. So you get this nice little cover for the end here. There's a hole in it, so you run your cables, power and video cables, through the arm, and you're going to come out the hole here right to your connection panel. And on this projector it's on this side, so you're running right down to there. Again, this mount has the micro adjustment knobs right here. It has a lock, which I didn't put it in, but you put a screw right here, it'll keep the mount from ever coming loose. So no one can really take this off. It's not guaranteed, it's not security hardware, it's just regular screws, but it's an extra measure of protection. So the other part involved in this is mounting this bracket to your wall, right here. Once you put this on your wall, this piece is going to slide right in, like so. Put a couple screws in it. You're going to put the plastic covers over this, and you'll be all set. That's all that's involved in setting this up. Now, as far as tools go, you need a drill. Mount this in your wall. You're going to get all the screws and hardware that you need. I do recommend the socket wrench for those nuts on the mount. It'll be a lot easier. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver as well. Other than that, it's pretty easy, pretty quick. It took about maybe 15 minutes to set all this up. Maybe another 10 minutes to put this on your wall. If you've never done this before, I'd say maybe a half hour, at the most. So it's really not a whole lot of time invested in it. and you'll get a real nice mount. Looks real good, goes nice with the projector. This will look good with any white or black projector, and it's going to work real well. Once it's up there, like I said, you can slide this piece out. If you need to move your projector further away, you need to move it closer. There are two different versions of this. This is the smaller version for use with the Hitachi projector. There is a larger version for your projectors that need to go a little further away. Please give us a call or an email. We'll recommend which mount you need. If you have any other questions, again, give us a call, send us an email at sales@touchboards.com. We'll be able to help you out with anything you need. All right, take care.